I, as a Chilean citizen, in full use of my mental, physical, and legal faculties, formally demand the immediate activation of all national and international mechanisms that protect fundamental rights and combat transnational digital crime. First, I invoke the Budapest Convention on Cybercrime, signed on November 23, 2001, entered into force on July 1, 2004, and ratified by Chile in 2017. This binding treaty obliges the Chilean state to investigate, prevent, and sanction crimes committed through digital networks, including illegal access, data interference, covert surveillance, identity theft, psychological manipulation, and digital human trafficking. All of this is happening, and all of this has already been reported. Second, I invoke the American Convention on Human Rights, known as the Pact of San José, Costa Rica, signed on November 22, 1969, and in force since July 18, 1978. Chile has been a party to this treaty since 1990. This convention guarantees the right to privacy, personal integrity, dignity, effective judicial protection, and access to the truth. No coercive network or hidden structure is above this. Third, I invoke the Convention of Belém do Pará, signed on June 9, 1994, and in force since February 3, 1995, also ratified by Chile. This treaty requires states to prevent, punish, and eradicate all forms of violence against women, including psychological, digital, coercive, or symbolic violence, especially when carried out through social media or platforms of influence. Today, I invoke all these instruments because the situation demands it. I have been a direct victim of illegal interception of communications, digital harassment, veiled threats, covert surveillance, and unauthorized use of my personal data without receiving any effective response from national institutions so far. That is why I have submitted all this information to the FBI and will also deliver it to the Council of Europe through the appropriate channel of the Budapest Convention. I am not part of any group. I represent no political interest. I have no institutional ties of any kind. And yet, I am the target of a hidden system operating with absolute impunity. Therefore, I demand the immediate activation of international cooperation under the treaties that Chile has signed and ratified. And if my country does not respond, the international community will. Because I am not alone. Because justice has no borders. And because this is not a game, this is a direct violation of fundamental human rights. And I say it clearly, whoever needs to fall will fall.